Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by composing the message as you normally would. Add recipients, subject, body, and attachments. Once the draft is ready, go straight to the Options tab because that's where the scheduling controls live. Make sure you're using the desktop Outlook app. Web and mobile have different steps. Click Delay Delivery to open the Properties dialog. You'll see a Delivery Options section where you can set a precise send time. This initial action puts you in control of exactly when Outlook will attempt to send the mail. Now you'll set the exact send moment. In the Properties dialog, check Do Not Deliver before and pick the date and time. You must confirm the time zone and whether it's AM or PM so Outlook won't send at the wrong hour. After choosing the timestamp, close Properties to return to the message window, then click Send. The message moves to Outbox and stays there until the scheduled time. Make sure Outlook remains running or connected if automatic send is required. Otherwise, the mail waits until next connection. To finish, leave Outlook open and connected so the client can dispatch the message at the scheduled time. Alternatively, use an Exchange server rule or server-side defer for guaranteed delivery when your PC is off. If you need to cancel or edit, open the message in Outbox before send time, change the properties or content, then save or resend. If the message doesn't go out, check internet connectivity, whether Outlook is in cached mode, and mailbox quotas. Those are the common causes and easy to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.